If your skin looks tired and your joints feel weak, you're overdue for a collagen boost. Collagen is a vital protein that keeps our skin, joints, and tissues healthy. As we age, our collagen levels drop, leading to wrinkles, joint pain, and even poor posture. But don't worry, there's a delicious way to fight back, introducing bone broth. Simmered from animal bones and connective tissues, bone broth is packed with collagen, gelatin, and essential amino acids. Here's how it helps. First, it replenishes collagen stores, making your skin firmer and joints stronger. Second, it boosts skin elasticity, reducing wrinkles and sagging. Third, it strengthens cartilage, cushioning your joints and easing pain. Finally, it supports your spine's health, preventing posture issues like an arched back. Incorporate bone broth into your diet by drinking it plain, using it in soups and stews, or even adding it to sauces and smoothies. And hey, include other collagen-boosting foods like citrus fruits, leafy greens, berries, fish, and egg whites for an extra edge. So ready to transform your health? Say hello to bone broth and feel the difference.